Everyone, welcome to my channel. Who is watching my video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Let's start the video. Are you struggling with dirt, dust, and clogged car radiators? This simple tool can clean everything in seconds. Over time, your car's radiator and AC condenser collect dust, debris, and grime, which reduces cooling performance and can even damage your engine. But today, I'm going to show you a powerful and easy solution: a high-pressure cleaning wand with a smart valve connector. First, let's take a look at this compact metal valve. It's strong, durable, and designed for easy connection. You can quickly attach it to your pressure washer or water pipe without any hassle. Now simply connect the valve to the cleaning wand. Make sure it's tightly secured. Once connected, you're ready to control the water flow with precision. Now let's move to the car. Open the hood and locate the radiator area. As you can see, dust and dirt are stuck deep inside. Turn on the water and start spraying. The high-pressure stream easily removes dirt from hard-to-reach areas without damaging the delicate fins of the radiator. All the grime is washing away instantly. This tool makes cleaning fast, efficient, and incredibly satisfying. Regular cleaning improves cooling efficiency, extends engine life, and helps your car perform at its best. And it's not just for radiators. You can also use it for AC condensers, engine bays, and other tight spaces. Simple, powerful, and effective. If you want professional level cleaning at home, this tool is definitely worth it. Simple, powerful, and extremely effective. This tool gives you professional level cleaning results right at home, without spending money on expensive service centers. Just a few minutes of cleaning can make a huge difference. Better airflow, improved cooling performance, and a longer life for your car's radiator and AC system. No complicated setup, no special skills needed. Just connect, spray, and watch the dirt disappear. It's that easy. And the best part, you can use it not only for your car, but also for bikes, outdoor units, and even household cleaning tasks. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay healthy everyone. See you in the new video.